So in this video, I'm going to take this aluminium can, which has got a little bit of water in it, and I'm going to heat it over this Bunsen burner until the water inside it starts boiling. And that'll take a little bit of time. And then hopefully we will hear the boiling sounds of the water inside. And then once the water is vigorously boiling and I can see and hear steam coming out of the top of the can, then I'm going to turn the can upside down in this trough of water next to it. And what do you think is going to happen? So hopefully you can hear a bit of the boiling going on, and hopefully you can maybe see a little bit of steam coming out. So that now sounds like it's boiling pretty vigorously. And now I'm going to turn it upside down onto the bowl of water. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! What happened there? Look at that. Let's pop that back on the safety flame. And maybe we should try that once more. So let's get a bit too much water. A little bit of water in the aluminium can. You can't see me on the video, but I am wearing safety goggles. So let's heat up this can again and wait for the water to boil. And I'm going to stop the video there and go on to slomo.